I'm Jackson Wright. I'm a senior and I play football and I bowl as well. I feel like being a student athlete is a very important part. I think you shape a lot of bonds around that. You get a lot of friends from it, and you also just learn lessons, and it also helps you like balance schoolwork on top of your sports because you got to know everything, and it really helps you with time management and just helps you throughout life. So. One main one that I would say is definitely discipline. I feel like that's mostly from football. I feel like a lesson I've learned from football is one of my coaches always tell me I'm really like emotional guy, so he always tell me stay on top of the waves, don't get too high, don't get too low. And I would always get too high or I'd get way too low, and I would just always be bad. And I feel like this year it's really helped me through with football and bowling, because bowling's a really mental game. So, and it's just really helped me stay in the middle, and I really don't show my emotions too much anymore. So, yeah. I think definitely freshman year going to state and bowling was a very good experience. I love those guys. They were really cool. It was great to be friends around all the seniors and juniors, and then just with my little freshman self there. And then definitely this year going to state for football, because really no one expected us to go to state, and we really proved a lot of people wrong. And just the bond we had with that senior class is just something special, and that will never be broken. So, yeah. I feel like Alter has impacted me a lot, whether that be through faith or the bonds I've created, and even with my intelligence. I feel like definitely through sports, I mean, it showed me what success is and what it's like to be successful. And even through my classes, like to really push yourself to get good grades, be successful, and just to see like that outcome and how it makes you feel has really impacted me in a positive way and shows me what it's like and how I need to be in college to even be successful. So.